Hello dear student. In last class we are discussing about our first chapter, that is cell structure. Now today's class we are discussing about cytoplasm. In previous class what we discussed? We discussed what is cell, how does it work, and what are the main constitutions of cell. Now the further remaining part of this those chapter we are continue today. Okay, now today we are talking about cytoplasm. If we talk about cytoplasm, it is also an important component of plant cell or animal cell or any living cell. Cytoplasm is a thick jelly-like fluid inside the cell bounded by a cell membrane. It occurs the space between the cell membrane and nucleus. All the chemical reaction of cell occur in the cytoplasm. There are many small cytoplasmic body suspended in the cytoplasm. They are mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum. They are made up of, they all are called cell organelles. If we talk about the function of cytoplasm, so cytoplasm are generally consist of cystols. Cystols act as a store of vital chemicals such as amino acid, glucose, vitamins, ions, etc. The second function of cytoplasm is it is site of certain metabolic pathway such as glycolysis, synthesis of fatty acid, nucleotide, some amino acid also take place in the cytosol. Living cytoplasm is always the state of movement. Okay, now cytoplasm consists of many cell organelles. In the we are discussing about cell organelles. Cell has performed different function with the help of vital various membrane bounded by cell organelle. It has to synthesize substance like protein, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. It has secrete cell product like enzyme, hormones. It has digest those substances which are kept or take up by the cell during the endocytosis. Such intercellular digestion is done by enzyme of lysosome. It is generally or generate energy synthesis of enriched ATP by the mitochondria. Large cell or large or more evolved cell are multicellular and they metabolize activity by different type separated from each other. Cell have membrane bounded organelles. These cell organelles are small organ of the cell and found embedded in the cytosol. For living part of the cell, each of them have their own definite structure, definite function and definite performance. Ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. are some cell organelles. Our first cell organelle are endoplasmic reticulum. Our first cell organelle are endoplasmic reticulum. See the diagram you saw, there is a endoplasmic reticulum. If we talk about endoplasmic reticulum, that means what is endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum is important cell organelle. It is a network of tubule channel is involved in the synthesis, storage and transport of the cell product, hormone and protein. Generally, there are two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum consists of ribosome and smooth endoplasmic reticulum has absent ribosome. Rough endoplasmic reticulum attaches its surface to synthesize protein, while in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which it without ribosome, it means it secrete lipid. If we talk about the function of endoplasmic reticulum, it performs support skeleton framework of the cell. ER provide a pathway for distinguish of nucleus material from one cell to another. Certain enzyme present in smooth ER synthesis, fat, steroid, cholesterol. In some cell, endoplasmic reticulum also help in biochemical activities. It is a main site where protein and lipid are synthesized. Now the next cell organelle are Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus was discovered by Chameleon Golgi. On their name, they are called Golgi apparatus. Their another name are Golgi body and Golgi complex. Golgi apparatus consists of set of membrane bounded by a fluid filled vesicles, vacuole and flatted cisterns. Cisterns are usually stocked or together in parallel rows. Golgi apparatus exists as an extensive network near the nucleus in the animal cell. However, the plant cell contains many free distinguished subunits of Golgi apparatus called distosomes. Cisterns are formed at one end of a stalk called cis phase of Golgi. They are bubble of act visceral at the other phase of Golgi apparatus, that is called trans phase of Golgi. Golgi apparatus is absent in bacteria, blue-green algae, mature sperm, red blood cell of mammals and other animals. Golgi apparatus arise from membrane of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which in turn organization from rough endoplasmic reticulum. If we talk about the function of Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, the main function of Golgi apparatus is act as a secretory. That means Golgi apparatus act as a way of station or assemble area of storage processing. The processing and packaging of various cell secretion produce vacuoles, secretory vessels which contain cell secretor like enzyme, protein, cellulose, melanin pigment, lactoprotein of the milk. Golgi apparatus is also involved in the synthesis of cell membrane and lysosome. So, Golgi body further help in the formation of lysosome. So, there is a next cell organelle of animal cell or plant cell are lysosome. Lysosome is simple, teeny, spherical, sac-like structure even distribute in the cytoplasm. Each lysosome is a small viscera surrounded by a single membrane contain powerful enzyme. These enzymes are capable of digestion or breaking down all organic material. Lysosome enzymes are made up of ER. Some important functions of lysosome. Why lysosome is important for the cell? Because lysosome serve as an intercellular digestive juice has called digestive bag. They destroy many or any foreign material which entered the cell such as bacteria, virus. In this way, the protect cell from the bacterial infection. Rhizosome also remove worm out or poorly working cellular organism by digesting them to make way for their new replacement. In this way, they remove the cell and also called demolization squad or cellular housekeeper. Lysosome is kind of garbage disposal system of the cell. That's why it is also called suicide bag of the cell. During the breakdown of cell structure. When cell get damaged, lysosome burst and enzyme eat up their own cell. Therefore, lysosome are called suicide bag. Why lysosome is called suicide bag? Because during the breakdown of cell structure, cell and cell get damaged and lysosome may burst and enzyme eat up their own cell. Therefore, lysosome are called suicide bag. So, it is very important undigested cell or harmful cell what eaten by the lysosome. The next cell organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria is also called powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria is also called the powerhouse of cell. It generates energy and give energy to cell. If we talk about mitochondria, mitochondria are tiny body of various shapes. That means it may be cylindrical, rounded shape, spherical shape. Its size also vary from 0.2 to 2 millimeter or mm. Distribution in the cytoplasm. Each mitochondria is bounded by double membrane evolve. Outer membrane is porous and the inner membrane through into the fold and therefore has a inner membrane is through into the fold. Therefore, have a area of several times the surface area of outer membrane folded called cristis or cystis. The sudden and with a small rounded body known as F1 particle or oxosome, they introduce the interior cavity of mitochondria is filled with the jelly-like material which contain a few small-sized ribosome, a circular DNA molecule and phosphate granule. Mitochondria are absent in bacteria and the red blood cell of mammals. What are the function? Why mitochondria is important for cell? Because they perform various function to survive the cell. Mitochondria is the site of cellular respiration. That means cellular respiration occur in mitochondria. They use molecular oxygen from air to oxidize carbohydrate and fat present in the cell to carbon dioxide and other water vapor. Oxidation release energy in the form of ATP. Since the mitochondria synthesize energy-rich compound called ATP, ATP is called powerhouse of the cell. The energy stored in ATP is used by the cell. ATP stands for organic compound adenosine triphosphate, generally known as energy currency of the cell, or it is a fuel of cell. They support mechanical work such as contraction of muscles, movement of cilia, flagella, conduct and nerve impulse, production of heat and electricity and light. Mitochondria are able to make some of their own proteins, so they are regarded as semi-autonomous organelle. That means they are semi-autonomous organelle. They perform their own function and they get their own energy. Now we are talking about plastid. If we are talking about plastid, plastid is only present in plant cell, not in a animal cell. Plastids are present only in a plant cell. Plastid contain certain pigment that have a specific role in play and function of plant. There are following three type of plastids generally we see in plants. First one, chloroplast. First one, chloroplast. Green plant or green plastid, they contain chlorophyll which help in the photosynthesis. That means if we talk about chloroplast, chloroplast is an important plastid which help to synthesize a food by the process of photosynthesis because it contains a green pigment. Green pigment which trap sunlight and help to synthesize a food in the form of photosynthesis. Next one is chromoplast. If we talk about chromoplast, contain non-green pigment. It do not contain any pigment. It give color to flower and fruit. Last one, leucoplast. Leucoplast are colorless plastid which help in the storage of food. If we talk about the function of plastid, that means chloroplast trap solar energy, utilize it to manufacture the food and the plant. Chloroplast impart various color to flower to attract insect for pollination. Leucoplast store food in the form of carbohydrate, fat and protein. Now we are talking about our next topic, that is our next cell organelle, that is vacuole. If we talk about vacuole, it is present both plant as well as animal. Vacuole are fluid filled or solid filled cell membrane bounded space. They are a kind of storage sac. In animal cell, the vacuole, if present, are small and temporary. They store water, glycogen and protein. The vacuole membrane is typically single unit membrane and is often associated with maintenance of water balance or ingestion of nutritive material. Thus, food vacuoles of single cell organelles such as amoeba, paramecium contain the food item that animal has consumed. In plant cell, vacuole are large distinguished parameter. In mature plant cell, the vacuole occupy almost in the entire volume of the cell. Because central position of vacuole, the nucleus and other cell organelle in plant are pushed near the bounded membrane. The vacuole is bounded by a membrane called tonoplast. The vacuole is filled with cell sap, which is watery solution rich in sugar, amino acid, protein, mineral, metabolic waste, etc. Why vacuole are important for plant and animal? Because vacuole help to maintain the osmotic pressure in the cell. They store toxic metabolic by produced or end product of the plant cell. They provide rigidity to the plant cell. Okay, now we are now this chapter of fundamental unit of life has been finished. I hope so आप लोगों को ये चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. अगर नहीं आया है, please repeat the videos. If you have any doubt or any queries, consult me. There is some exercise given to you in your book. Try to solve all the exercise in your notebook, and if you have any doubt or if you are not capable to solve any question, then contact on school number. This is your home assignment. I hope so we meet again. So in next class we are talking about next topic or next chapter. Okay student, now we meet soon in our next class. So have a nice day. Goodbye student, take care.